Let's take new exercise for beginners. See, this is simple model. Now, dimensions millimeter unspecified fillet 1.5. This is exercise number 260. Now here, see, this is a kind of symmetric geometry. Now see this outer diameter 70, inner hole 40 diameter. The length of this 25, 50 plus 25 is going to be 100 millimeter. Okay, but here one is square rectangle shape 25, height you will see here 20 millimeter, and distance from here to here 40 millimeter. Right plane sketch, activate circle, and let me draw here two circle at origin. Now directly going to choose center line. Okay, let me choose line directly. And connect. Right click, exit. Now again I am going to choose center line, and let me draw one horizontal center line and connect with midpoint of this line, vertical line. And make sure this line horizontal. Now it is in one line. Let me define dimensions. Outer diameter 70, inner hole 40. Okay, the height of this rectangle 20, and distance from center point 40. Okay, now here we have two close profile. You can trim entity, power trim, keep trim entity as construction. Press and hold left mouse and drag, and see this is going to convert in construction line. Do here also. Now see, this is a close profile. Apply extruded boss base feature because I want to add material to this geometry. Now here I am going to choose, okay, let's keep mid plane, and I want to flow material both side equally. So here 25 to 100 total. See, okay. Now let's make the geometry okay, or even let's material is something like okay. Now let's add this rib. Now see here 50 millimeter straight, then come down, diameter 40, hole 20, center to center distance 90, 10 millimeter, then this is 15 millimeter, total 25. Okay, same on other side also. Then here we have to cut this cutout, 12 millimeter, 25, 25. See the distance 50 millimeter. Let's see how. Select the face, sketch. Now let me activate here circle, and let me draw two circle here, one bigger and one smaller. Let me connect with line, construction line. Again activate line, start from here, draw horizontal, then come back and apply here tangent. See tangent symbol, apply. Simply choose mirror entity. Let me select these two lines, copy and mirror about this center line. Okay. Now again I am going to select this outer circle, convert entity. Fine. Now let's define dimensions. First center line 90, 50, outer diameter 40, inner hole 20. Okay, what else? Balance, trim entity, power trim, and delete these portions. Now let me create one relation, select these two lines, tangent relation. Now it seems fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base. Now here in selected contour, more than one profile you will see this option. If there is only one close profile, you will not see this option. Here choose blind in one direction, depth only 15 millimeter, but make it reverse. Also start condition offset 10 millimeter away from this face. This is moving reverse direction. Now see the preview. 10 millimeter inside from this plane total. Even in selected contour, choose this circle also. See the preview. Again, you have to select sketch extruded boss base. In selected contour, choose only this option. Reverse, and here select up to next. See, this is going to apply only up to this face. And here we done. Now let me choose mirror entity. I want to feature mirror these two feature. So for reference plane, I'm going to choose right plane because this is a place at center. Feature to mirror. Select first feature, second feature. Apply. See here. Now which is mid plane, top plane. I want to cut here. Sketch. Activate corner rectangle. Okay, let's define. Now distance from center, it's 12 millimeter. 50 millimeter. Okay. Now you have to place at center. So 100 minus 50 divided by 50 divided by 2 is 25. Okay. This one you can keep outside, or even if you want to give some dimension and make geometry fully defined. Apply extruded cut. Now here keep end condition through all both. So material going to cut both side equally. Say okay. See. Now at center you will see this body. 10, there is a hole 12 dia, 8 millimeter. And I forget to connect this point. This is exactly placed behind this. And there is a 2 circle placed at center, 10 diameter. And radius 1.5. Let's see. Again, top plane, sketch, corner rectangle. Connect from here to this part. Line. Place line, 2 circle. Diameter 12, whole diameter 12. Okay. Let me power trim. Keep, delete this, convert this inside also. Now see, we lose some relation. Say okay. Let's apply some important relation. Distance 25. Okay. And what relations we can apply? Let's see. Okay, see here we lose relation. Select this one and okay. Apply extruded boss base. Here keep flow material both side mid plane. 70 minus 8 plus 8, 16. Okay. See, this is the result we achieve. Now here we have hole. So let's apply point. There is one option called point. Now select this face and see center of face. Okay. Again choose point. Place, select this face. Choose here center of face. Okay. Hole wizard. Select hole, ISO standard drill site 10 millimeter diameter. Up to next. Don't choose through. Up to next. Next face is inside. Position, you have to choose face. Now select place at this point. That's why we choose point. Okay, see. Now let's hide these 2 points. Now I think we done. Only we need to apply some fillet. I'm going to apply some red color to this geometry, which looks more. Okay, here we have to do one thing. We have to delete inside face. See, there is a face. Go to direct editing, delete face. Here choose option delete and patch. Select this face. Just rotate your model and see these 3 face I want to remove. Say okay. Look, the face is removed from inside. Let me select inside. Okay, now let's apply some fillet. Constant type, radius 1.5. First I am going to apply some horizontal and don't do this, vertical and these horizontal shapes. Similarly, let's apply here. And select this face, outside face, done. Again fillet. Okay, select this face. No, not this face. This hole, we don't need to apply this hole. This side, just rotate the okay, before rotating let me select this side. Similarly bottom side. Okay, just rotate the model. I think we done almost. Fillet 1.5. Select face. No, here face not work. Select this edge. Select this face and this face. Okay. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.